Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, guys. And if you need to find the relay for the horns, the horn is not working, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to test the relay, and if your horn is still not working, we'll explain what can actually, guys, cause that and how to fix it. So we'll share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. And you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So right here, guys, we have a 3.6 Dodge Charger, but even if you have a different engine, it will still work as well. Why? Because they share the same fuse box practically, guys. Now right here, that's the fuse box, that's the lid. You have one notch here, one there, you squish towards each other, you pull straight up, flip on the side, and here you guys have the fuse numbers and relays, and that layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. So what we need to look for now, guys, okay, the horns relay, this is known as relay number 41. We're talking about that relay right here. That's what's controlling your horns. You actually have a fuse too. Now you just grab it and pull it out. Now quick thing, guys, if you need to see how to test a relay, we'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to do that. It's not very complicated, and in less than a minute you will be able to find out if yours is good or bad. Number two, if you need to buy cheap relays for a good price and you have some spares as well, always I would like to keep some spare relays in my glove box. Okay, I'll put the link in the description of the video below as well. And if your horns still do not work, we have a video that's called Why Horn Does Not Work on Dodge Charger, and it will teach you everything you need to know and diagnose the problem. But this is just a quick video for any of you looking for the relay for the horn. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.